So if you build from the background, so you need to have some kind of an idea as to what you want to do. I'm going to color this light gray or whatever color you like. Then I'm going to drag a little form on there, and then you have got all your custom fields or your predefined. So I want to do first name and email. This is a required field, so I check that box. I can leave it optional or required. Both of them is fine. Make it a little bit wider. And I can also make that form button nice and big to the width of the field, so it looks neat and clean. I can then change the button color to whatever you want. If you want green, you can put in green. You want to change the text button, so let's say get started now. And I want a little headline over here. I'll drag the text box. The font is too big. I'll change that. It's fairly easy and straightforward, and this is what I love about Unbounce. It is simple to use. Unbounce has got a lot of images and royalty-free images in here, so I could do something like that. I like these ones, these arrow pointing down. Make it a little bit big. Place it like that. And the next one I want to do is in here. We always respect your privacy. I don't want this as bold. Keep it nice and simple and small. Now when you have a form, you can then have lots of different options available. What you want to do when somebody fills in that form. Do you show a little form confirmation pop-up, which I personally don't like, or you can send them to a thank you page, which I always set up, because on the thank you page you can do a lot more. You can also upsell, give a different offer, a coupon code, or ask them to take another call to action like subscribe to my YouTube channel or like my Facebook page. So I'm not a big fan of confirmation dialog boxes, because if the for any reason, if your tracking or your tags are not firing, then we can check it quite easily on the thank you page. On the pop-up, it just takes a little bit longer.